In this video, I want to show you how simple it is to deliver a lead magnet, a free resource, using Kajabi email automations. So let's jump right in. Let's do everything from scratch. So let's suppose you need an opt-in page, right? Let's create one. If you go into pages and create new landing page, you'll be shown more options and more ideas on what type of page you want. If you scroll all the way down, there is opt-in. And I'm going to choose this one, streamlined opt-in. Get started, opt-in page. It's just a test title. It's going to create all of the page for you using the template we selected. And it should all be ready to collect name and email. But there's a few steps that we need to go through for this to happen. Of course, feel free to change the copy and add images based on what you need, frequently asked questions. You can even simplify this page. This page should not be too complicated. Here's where you want to tweak things. If you want people to give you name and email, you need to attach this field here with a form. And as you can see, if I click in here, the form field is empty. So you will have to create a new form. Let's do that. Edit form to a new tab. I can create a new form. Now I want to call it test, just because it's a test. And here it is. We created a new form. We want this to be single opt-in. So people will not receive an email having to confirm that they definitely want to receive email from you, because it's not even GDPR compliant anyway. So let's keep it simple for now. The form fields requested from the form will be the full name and a valid email. You can add to it if you want to, but I would keep it simple for now. Now we created a form. Let's go back to our builder. Here we should be able to find the form that we created. Here it is, test. And once you select a form, your opt-in page will fill up with the form fields that are requested by the form. In this case, it's name and email. What will happen is if I save this page, when I come here and I insert my name and my email and I click submit, everything is ready for me to collect name and emails. If I check back on my contacts, I will see my name and email popping up in a list of contacts. So lead generation is already in place. Kajabi is the platform where we build everything, where we sell things, where we get the payments, to deal with our email as well. And if you want to try it out and start building the foundation of your online business, we have a special link for you at no extra cost to you. You will get double the trial, which is 30 days if you're using our link. Plus, we want to give you a copywriting framework you can use to write your own sales copy, a mini course that shows you exactly how to set up your Kajabi account from the get-go into having a functional website, and also easy plug and play sales page templates you can just drag and drop into your Kajabi account and have a beautiful sales page ready to sell your products. If you want all of this, just follow the link in the description box below and you start your trial. We collected name and email, but we want to deliver on the promise. We probably promised a free resource. How do we deliver that via automations? Let's have a look. If we go back in the form, this is the form that we created, all the way down, there are automations. And I can add an automation and I can do it this way. When the form is submitted, test in this case, then send an email. To the person, not to my team, to the person. And as a subject, we can say, here's your free guide or something like that. We can change the text. And what we can do is to say, click here to download the free guide. If I select this text and then click on upload file, I can drag and drop a file and then I can change it into click here to download the free guide. Target on the new page. Okay. As you can see, I've got a link that it's linked to a Kajabi server, and whenever they click in here, they will be able to download the PDF on our website. We don't have to host the PDF anywhere because Kajabi already done everything for us. If I go all the way down, I click save, and the automation is now complete. Every time somebody gives us name and email and hit submit, this automation will send them an email with the PDF link inside the email. And that's how you deliver a lead magnet using Kajabi email automations. If you have a free mini course, for example, you can stack that into an offer and use the automation to grant the offer to anybody that submitted the form. The opt-in page for your lead magnet will stay the same, but the automation attached to the form can change. For example, you can even grant access to an offer that contains a mini course if you want to give them a free mini course, a free consultation, or a free coaching call, whatever makes sense for you and your audience, you can do that with a simple opt-in page and automations on the form. And if you are curious to know all of the other functionalities on Kajabi and how we run our multiple six-figure business with it, we made a video where we explain the main ones that we use every day to run everything about our business. Here's the link to the video.